Hello YouTube, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today I'm working on my E70 2011. I have an issue in the front suspension, like a huge clicking sound. I have found that the bushing of the control arm broken from inside, destructed. Also I have a clicking sound in the CV axle shaft. Replace this shaft and work on replacing the bushing of the control arms on both sides. It's released now. I've got a used CV shaft, BMW made in Germany, in a very good condition. I also bought two control arms. I have found that the bushing is in good condition, so we're gonna replace the two small control arms and install the CV shaft. I was able to push the CV shaft to the end and it's locked now. I'm gonna install the control arm and then put the CV shaft into the knuckle disc. It's good now. And this is the CV shaft. It's in place. I need to tighten the knot.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in my next one.